Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Best Reviews. Today we're diving into the futuristic world of technology as we explore the top 5 folding phones you can get your hands on this year. From sleek designs to cutting-edge features, these devices are revolutionizing the way we experience mobile technology. But before we unfold this exciting journey, don't forget to hit that like button if you're as intrigued as I am. And of course, subscribe to stay updated on the latest and greatest in the world of tech. Now, let's unfold the future together. Let's kick off our journey with the Motorola Razr, an iconic device that effortlessly blends style and functionality. Boasting a sleek, foldable design, this smartphone is not only a visual stunner, but is also packed with features that cater to the modern user's diverse needs. Its compatibility with major carriers, 5G readiness, and a versatile camera setup make it a compelling choice for those who seek innovation in every flip. Moving on to our fourth contender, we have the Google Pixel Fold. Google's entry into the foldable phone arena brings with it the power of the Google Tensor G2 chip and a design that exudes sophistication. The Pixel Fold's ability to seamlessly multitask with its split-screen feature, coupled with a robust camera system, positions it as a creative powerhouse. The flexibility to change carriers and a robust security system further solidify its spot on our list. Securing the third position is the OnePlus Open, a foldable smartphone that impresses with its thin and light design. Crafted with aerospace-grade materials and featuring a custom flexion hinge design, the OnePlus Open offers a premium yet durable experience. Its high-quality displays, multitasking capabilities through open canvas, and a formidable camera setup co-developed with Hasselblad make it a strong contender in the foldable smartphone market. Now let's unfold the marvel that is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. This device takes flexibility to new heights with its foldable AMOLED display, S Pen compatibility, and a multi-window view for efficient multitasking. With 5G connectivity, a long-lasting battery, and a waterproof design, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 ensures that you stay connected and productive in any situation. And now claiming the top spot is the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. This compact yet powerful phone redefines portability with its foldable design. The Flex Window feature allows for one-handed convenience, making tasks like replying to text and snapping photos a breeze. The large cover screen doubles as a preview window for the impressive camera setup, ensuring you capture your best moments with ease. Personalization options, customizable widgets, and the innovative Flex mode for hands-free video calling make the Galaxy Z Flip 5 a true game changer.